Hey guys, good evening. I'm here with On-Site Medical. If you guys are feeling kind of off, you got any cuts, bruises, rashes, stop by our clinic.
Over the years, what we've learned through our storm restoration, we got guys coming from different states, and we just felt the need to have something here that when they come by, we can educate them on hydration. We do triage work, band-aids, and then also get advice in case we need further medical attention.
This is what we call an MDR, which is a mobile direct response unit. Essentially, it is a micro clinic inside the back of a Nissan van where we're able to provide care to patients on site no matter what the circumstance. If you look inside, we actually have a patient bed and pretty much all the care required to take care of someone in a circumstance requiring first aid or life-saving care. So myself and my partner are both paramedics that travel to sites like such as these, provide medical support to the in-field staff.
We started back in the fall, putting this together, getting contracts together, and we activated and had them on site within 24 hours, so we're pretty proud of that.